Hi friends, this is Harshal Mehta and welcome to another session of Key Learnings. So in today's session I'll be talking about a book called The 48 Laws of Power written by Robert Greene. This book was originally published in 1998 and it prescribes 48 laws or principles which if practiced and implemented in real life can make you more powerful. So let me tell you that this book is considered to be a bit controversial because some of the laws mentioned in the book is a bit too harsh and debatable. However, in today's session, I'll be presenting 5 of my favorite laws from the book which I feel holds true in today's era. So let's begin. The first law is always say less than necessary. A person who cannot control his words shows that he cannot control himself and is unworthy of respect. When you try to impress people with words, the more you say, the more common you appear. When you say less than necessary, you inevitably appear greater and more powerful. Also, when you say less than necessary, you appear more profound and mysterious, and people around will be curious to know more about you. The less you say, lesser will be the risk of you saying something foolish. Many a times in certain situations, people get too excited and get carried away, and in that excitement they end up saying more than what is required, or they end up revealing certain things which they were not supposed to, or end up offending a person with their words, which may lead to permanent stain in a relationship. Remember one thing, once the words are out, you can't take them back, so better keep them under control. After all, a tongue wounds more than a lance, so think twice, speak wise, and only what is required. The second law is avoid unhappy and the unlucky. There's a saying that one rotten apple can spoil the whole barrel. You may die from someone else's misery. Emotional state is as infectious as a disease. Your habits, thoughts, behavior, action, everything is greatly influenced by the people surrounding you. There are some people in life who are always depressed, frustrated, pessimistic, who keep finding flaws in their life. Stay away from them because their misery and sadness can infect you. If you spend too much time with them, you may end up becoming over sympathetic and over emotional, and it will make you weak and less powerful. Always associate yourself with the ones who are happy, fortunate, and who can inspire you every day. The third law is be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. The way you carry yourself will often determine how you will be treated. The way you dress is the way you get addressed. If you appear too common, people around will start disrespecting you. Always practice the strategy of crown. If we believe that we are born and destined for great things, our belief will radiate outward, just like how a crown will create an aura around a king. Exhibit a lot of confidence in the way you walk, talk, or things you do. Let the people around get infected with your confidence. Do not show doubt, don't lose dignity, and don't settle for something less. Always ask for more, as that will send out a signal that you are worth a king's ransom. Don't behave like a plebeian, don't act like a plebeian. Act regally and royally, and you may end up attracting a crown on your head. The fourth law is make your accomplishments seem effortless. Make all your success and achievements seem easy. Conceal all the toils, tricks, and hard work you use to attain it. Never reveal how you reach the position of power to anyone, or they may use it against you. There are great advantages in remaining silent. The more mysterious your actions appear, the more powerful you will appear. Let the people around you believe that you have an exclusive gift of skills which can't be replicated. Just like how a magician wouldn't reveal his magic tricks, similarly, no matter how successful and powerful you become, do not reveal all the tricks and strategies that helped you reach there. Otherwise, the other common people will replicate you, reach your level, and may end up dethroning you from your position of power. However, you can reveal everything only when you no longer need that power. The fifth law is in victory, learn when to stop. Don't let success go to your head. In the moment of victory, arrogance and overconfidence can push you beyond your initial targets, and this could create more enemies than you are capable of defeating. There is no substitute for strategy and careful planning. As they say, haste makes waste. When you achieve something, you tend to become a little overconfident, and in that overconfidence, you may end up doing something carelessly, and that careless decision may lead to more problems. So it's better set a goal, and once you reach there, stop and meticulously plan before making your next move. So these are 5 of my favorite laws from the book. Always say less than necessary. Avoid unhappy and the unlucky. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. And in victory, learn when to stop. However, there are 43 other laws, but once again I would like to reiterate, they are a bit too controversial and debatable, but most of them I feel is true and relevant, especially in today's time. So I hope you guys find this video interesting. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you all in the next session. Thank you.